Hey, welcome to day 8 of our inspirational journey. Every day we're improving our English and our mindset with just one story. If you've come this far, you're already becoming stronger inside and out. Today we're talking about a man known as the Iron Man of India, the man who united a broken nation after independence. Let's hear the story of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel was born in 1875 in Gujarat. He came from a farming family with limited resources, but he had a strong mind and a sharp voice. Even as a child, people trusted him to solve fights and make fair decisions. That's why everyone called him Sardar, the leader. He studied law in England and became a famous lawyer. But when he saw the British treating Indians like slaves, he gave up his career and joined Mahatma Gandhi in the fight for freedom. After India got independence in 1947, the country was divided into 562 small princely states. Each state had its own king, and many refused to join India. That's when Patel stepped in. With wisdom, strength, and powerful negotiation, he united almost all of them, without war. He didn't use force, he used respect, clarity, and courage. Because of his efforts, India became one strong nation. Message: Sardar Patel teaches us. Chapter: True leadership is not about control, it's about unity. He didn't shout to prove his power, he stood firm and let his actions speak. So in life, be calm, be fair, but never be weak. Stand for what is right and lead with strength. Thanks for staying till the end. If Sardar Patel's story inspired you, share it with someone who needs courage today. We'll be back tomorrow with another powerful life lesson. Let's keep growing, let's keep learning together. See you in day 9.